Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to show the weather on Chromecast Screensaver.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. As you can see my screensaver, you'll find the time at the bottom right, and close to the time you have 24 degrees Celsius. So that's the weather. You can find a small weather icon with some clouds over a sun. Now if you want something like that, let me show you how to get it. So move over to quick settings, go to all settings, and navigate down until you find system. After clicking on system, just go to ambient mode and go to settings of ambient mode. Scroll down this list and you find weather. So under weather, you may have it selected to hide. So this would not show any weather at all. But if you select degree Celsius, if you select degree Fahrenheit, or if you select both, you will have information about the weather of your current location provided on the screensaver. Now, also ensure that to be accurate with the weather, you have your location properly set. I showed you how to do that in another video, so check that out. And if your weather is correct, enjoy it on your screensaver. Let me know how that went in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This is DaveTech signing out.